In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sites templates with three simple methods: import, copy, and apply. Whether you're looking to create a professional website for your business, a personal portfolio, or a class project, Google Sites offers a user-friendly way to get started with its versatile template gallery. So let's dive right in and explore how you can efficiently utilize these templates to your advantage. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Sites by simply typing sites.google.com into your address bar. This will bring you to the Google Sites homepage, where you'll see any projects you've worked on previously if you're logged into your Google account. If not, take a moment to sign in to gain full access to all its features. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right of your screen. You'll see a button that says Template Gallery. Click on it, and a gallery of available templates instantly appears. This gallery is incredibly helpful because it's categorized into various templates tailored for specific uses, from corporate designs to education-focused layouts and more. Browsing through these categories allows you to quickly find a template that fits your project's purpose. After taking a moment to explore the different options, it's time to select a template that aligns with your needs. Simply hover over the template you're interested in and click on it. This action will allow you to preview and decide if it meets your expectations. If you're satisfied with your choice, go ahead and select it to start working within a draft version of that template. Now here comes the fun part: editing. Google Sites makes it incredibly easy to customize the template to make it truly yours. With the selected template open, navigate to the various sections and elements by clicking directly on them. Here, you can edit text, substitute images, and adjust layouts precisely to match your vision. Take this time to personalize colors, fonts, and add any additional pages to flesh out your site further. Remember, Google Sites autosaves your work, so there's no need to constantly hit a save button. However, if you ever wish to see what your site will look like when published, you can always use the preview button at the top of the interface. This will give you a real-time look at how your website will appear to viewers once it goes live. To wrap this up, we're happy to see how easy it is to harness the power of Google Sites templates through import, copy, and application methods. With just a few clicks, you can transform any template into a personalized, professional-looking website. Feel free to explore, experiment, and don't hesitate to start a new project if another idea sparks. After all, with Google Sites, creativity has no bounds. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.